He's the founder, CIO of SpinSci Technologies, almost like 17 years back start చేశారు. And then we also have Andy Asava ఇక్కడ, అతను CEO of the company, and we are the two spearheads మాకు, where they take the company into the right direction. And ఇవాళ ఈ కార్యక్రమం పెట్టుకోవడానికి the main reason ఏంటంటే, ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు we have done lot of good work మా టెక్నాలజీ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది హౌస్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ రియలీ ఇన్ ఏ గ్రోత్ మోడ్, విపరీతంగా గ్రో అవుతున్నాము. సో తెలంగాణలోనే మేము ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ నెక్స్ట్ 2 yearsలో ఒక 1000 జాబ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయబోతున్నాము. అండ్ దట్ ఆన్ ది ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ టెక్నాలజీ సైడ్. అండ్ ఆ విషయం ఏంటంటే మేము ఐటీ మినిస్టర్ శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారి నుండి కలిసాము. ఆయన చాలా మంచి ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారు. అండ్ ఈ ఆల్సో టాక్ అబౌట్ ఏఐ విలేజ్ ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నారు. And then we are చాలా క్లోజ్గా వాళ్ళతో వర్క్ చేసేసి we wanted to really make Telangana as a hub for AI. SpinSci Technologies నుంచి మేము ఎంత మటుకు ఛాన్స్ అయితే అంత మటుకు we will put all our efforts and get going. And that is the basic introduction, and that is what దాని గురించి మేము మొత్తం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం ఇవాళ. సో మేము ఏం చేయబోతున్నాము, నెక్స్ట్ 2 yearsలో ఎంతమందిని హైర్ చేయబోతున్నాము, అమెరికాలో మా టెక్నాలజీ ఎవరెవరు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎంతమంది బెనిఫిట్ అవుతున్నారు, దాన్ని మేము ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్కి ఆ పై లెవెల్కి తీసుకెళ్లాలంటే మా అవసరం ఏంటి. అండ్ హైదరాబాద్ ఏంటంటే మాకు తెలంగాణ, హైదరాబాద్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు బీ ది పవర్ హౌస్. మా మసల్, మా స్ట్రెంగ్త్ అంతా హైదరాబాద్, తెలంగాణ నుంచి ఆపరేషన్లోకి వస్తుంది. అండ్ విత్ దిస్ ఐ విల్ హ్యావ్ యాండీ. అండ్ పక్కన మాకు చౌదరి గారు ఉన్నారండి. ఆయన ఎక్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ సెక్రటరీ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గవర్నమెంట్. ఆయన చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారితో చాలా క్లోజ్గా పనిచేశారు. అండ్ హీ వాజ్ చాలా కీ రోల్ ప్లే చేశారు హైటెక్ సిటీ ఏరియా అంతా బిల్డ్ చేయడానికి. అండ్ ఆల్సో ది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టెక్నాలజీ ఆ రోజుల్లో మొత్తం ప్రోగ్రెస్ అవ్వడానికి వన్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ కీ పర్సన్. ఆయన కూడా వాళ్ళ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. సో నా ఐ హ్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ టు యాండీ అసావా. ఆయన ఏంటంటే చెప్తారు కంపెనీ గురించి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అండ్ ఆల్. అండ్ తర్వాత రజిత్ కుమార్ మా ఫౌండర్, సిఐఓ, ఆయన మొత్తం కంపెనీ గురించి కూడా చెప్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ మా ప్లాన్స్ ఏంటి అని. తర్వాత మన చౌదరి గారు కూడా మాట్లాడతారు.
Based out of our home city here in Hyderabad, in the greater state of Telangana, we are super excited about it, and we are now looking at, we will make some major announcements that Kiran has talked about how are we going to expand, what does the future look like, right? And that is what we are truly looking at, because our goal is not to stop at 40 million patients. We want to serve over 400 million patients across the globe. We have expansion plans that we are already putting in place into Canada, into Europe, and hopefully, God willing, one day, our technology will also serve the billions of people that are in the Asia region, including India. So our goal is not to stop here. We always use India as the core catalyst for talent, but our goal is to really take this thing forward and have the ability to support that to our citizens in India. So with that said, look, I think the other thing that I want to quickly talk about, so what does our company do? So when you think about the care, what they call care continuum, the care continuum has 3 phases. The first phase is, what does a patient do before the care is provided to them? The second thing is, what is the point of care delivery? And third one is, what happens to the patient after the care has been delivered? SpinSci provides the entire life cycle for that patient, before the care, during the care, and after the care. And when we do that, we fully digitized it. But you know what? Digitization is not good enough anymore. Digitization is yesterday's story. Now it's all about artificial intelligence, right? How do you create these agentic AI agents that are working on complex tasks? They're learning, they're enriching them with healthcare data to drive this patient experience forward. That is the innovation that SpinSci is embarking on. That is the innovation that we want that talent pool to be done in Hyderabad, in Telangana over here, and this is where we need the support. We had great discussions with the Honorable Minister of IT yesterday, and to see how to expand this and how is this synergistic with their vision, right? The vision that he has is clear. He said to us, he said, Rajat, Andy, Kiran, he said that, you know, it's not just about IE. We want to verticalize IE in 2025. And that's where he sees that the SpinSci can play a role. Now, I'm going to hand it off to Rajat to talk about, from an innovation perspective, you know, healthcare perspective, and how many jobs they're creating. I'm going to let Rajat talk about that.
Local university here, Osmania University. I graduated almost about 20 years back. So it's the whole premise of how this company started was innovation. Innovation was what drove us till today and will continue to drive us looking forward. Now, if you look at healthcare across the globe, healthcare is at the prime time and ready for a massive disruption. And when we talk about disruption, think about this, right? This is where innovation is what's going to drive that disruption. And as a company, that's precisely what our vision kind of looking forward. And the driver that's going to really help us really, kind of bring the disruptions that we have. Now, the Telangana, Hyderabad in particularly, has invested in fostering this whole, kind of the AI evolution. And we are now trying to springboard, use that as a platform in driving our own investments and how we grow our entire organization here. So that said, we are looking at recruiting about 100 people immediately this year alone. And it's not just about 100 folks adding to our organization. It's about adding those high-end AI-focused skill set. That's actually what we're looking at. And that's only the beginning. So in the next year or two, we're actually looking at ramping it up by 10x, which means in the next few years, we're looking at staffing about 1,000 people. And that's actually, what our kind of the goal is. Now, one thing I do want to add here is, when you think about adding about 1,000 people, the true catalyst in driving this 1,000 people is the state of Telangana. And that's where, like Andy said, we just met the Honorable IT Minister, Sridhar Babu, and we have the full support from them in really launching this kind of the initiative to ramp up. Now, just to that capacity, I do want to put it out there that we are hosting an AI hackathon on January 16, which is next Thursday. And again, thanks to the ministry here, we're actually going to be doing this at the Telangana T-Hub. And what that is a validation for us is the actual skill set, the high-level skill set that's already available within the Hyderabad and the Telangana space. And it's going to be a fun challenge for us to really get that initial step forward in recruiting the right talent. And from there, it's all about the growth. And that's really what we're most excited about. Now, that said, I'm going to have, we'll be training a lot of people, not necessarily BTechs from the engineering colleges, even graduates also can be trained to become AI experts. So that's what ISF Gurukul is going to start the certification 6 months of diploma in artificial intelligence and agentic technologies. And we will be definitely working with the company to see that how we can collaborate with them. Some of the scientists also can come and teach in this ISF Gurukul. So with that, we will be able to provide the much needed manpower. As you mentioned today, we don't have the manpower. We have to train the manpower in new technology.
Hello, hi, andarki namaskaram. Nenu me Lakshmi Manchu. So you're watching me on City Light E-News. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మెల్ల నరేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Anasuya Bharadwaj. Please subscribe to City Light E-News. Thank you.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
అశ్విన్ బాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్.
Hi, I'm Digangana Suryavanshi. Please subscribe to City Lights.
Hi, నేను Shamila. Please subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, నేను మీ అశ్వినిశ్రీ. So please do subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Priyanka Upendra. Please do subscribe to City Light News.
సిటీ లైట్ ఈ ఛానల్కి ప్రేక్షకులందరినీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఛానల్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మానస్ నాగులపల్లి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, my name is Natasha. Please like and subscribe